Morning. Hey guys, it's me, Brandy, and I'm gonna do a quick look with you guys using my new Bechy Beauty blends, and I am going to do something. I've got some yellow earrings on. I've got my black label shirt. I'm gonna do something kind of brownie cool toned. Maybe brownie goldy, who knows? We will see. So I'm gonna use Avados, and this is a Mega Shimmer. I like using Avados on my entirety of my lid, and I'm gonna use that basically. I know, it's not a matte, but I'm gonna use it just like a matte. So we'll see what happens. We will see what happens. I just need, let me use this brush. How are you guys doing? All right, so I'm going to look at that. Oh, it's so pretty. So I'm kind of just putting this all over the lid. I'm going to take this fluffier brush and I'm going to blend out these edges. That is why, my dears, I love this shadow so much, because it looks all pretty and shiny on the lid, but then on the crease it's just like a little bit of a grungy, like pretty shade, right? So I am going to so I'm going to take this one. It's called Nefertari, and it is, I don't know what the color would be. It's kind of like a platinum in a little ways. I'm going to put that on my finger. Look how pretty that is. And I'm going to tap that in the middle. I'm going to take that blending brush and I'm going to blend out these little edges here. Now I'm going to take that small brush that I was using. I don't know where I put it. Right here. So this is a Rougher 2, and it's basically like a flat packing brush. And I go back into Avados. I'm just going to kind of reinforce these edges. This is gonna be like a messy, grungy halo eye. I don't know if that's a thing, but hey. It is now. It is now. It's a thing now. I'm excited because the launch is today for Bechy Beauty Blends Deities. It is available as of 12 Eastern Standard Time. So I hope y'all can get your hands on it. So I think that's pretty much it. I'm gonna put Nefertari on my inner corner as well. Just the tiniest bit. Isn't that pretty? Just a teensy tiny bit. And a teeny tiny bit more. Alright, so now I want to put a tiny bit of this in my brows too. Right here. Alright. I'm going to do the rest of my eye makeup and I'll be back to show you the finished look. Alright, so this is the finished look. What do you guys think? Did I do it justice? I sure hope so. Let me know if you guys pick anything up from this collection. You can head over to my Instagram, Bechy Beauty Blends, Instagram, Mystical Glamour's Instagram for all kinds of important information on the launch. But yeah, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.